So right dipped headlight, that's an error. Again, the right main beam headlight error. Side light, daytime running lights. Front right fog light. So there's number plate light. If I tap the brake, it's gonna complain about that as well. Left brake light. If you're having errors for your Audi A3 8P containing to your light, where your right light, front and rear are throwing an error, or both sides are throwing an error together, you've changed your bulbs and you still have this issue, or your lights actually aren't working and you've actually changed the bulbs, the actual issue is your fuse. This fuse is located in your engine bay to control your power draw to all your bulbs, and if the wrong spec bulbs have been used in your vehicle, you're definitely going to have an issue. So I'm going to actually show you which fuse it is. If it's not working, that means the fuse is completely blown. That means the bulbs that are there have been draining or pulling too much of power through your actual wiring and through your fuse, and that's the safety of the fuse. If it is intermittent on and off, you're getting these errors ever since you're using your lights or your brake lights, etc., then this fuse is actually melting away. So please change this fuse. Please change those bulbs that you actually changed over the last 6 months to a year. Those are the bulbs that could be causing the issue. Changing your fuse and still keeping the bulbs could cause the issue to resurface later on. This is me putting the lights on. Okay, that's washer floating is a different problem, but definitely gonna top it up. So right dipped headlight, that's an error. Again, the right main beam headlight error. Side light, daytime running light. So I do have new bulbs for that, so I'm going to change that out. The left and the right needs to be changed, so that's going to be on how to as well. I'm going to be doing the front right fog light. So everything on the right. So if I tap the brake, I might. So there's number plate light. If I tap the brake, it's going to complain about that as well. Left brake light. Damn, I just pulled this fuse out. If you can look at the condition of this fuse, it's melted. It's literally melted. Looking in there, this does look a bit damaged, but look at this fuse. So it's just making, this fuse is just making contact. Hopefully you guys can see it's definitely damaged. So I'm going to replace this fuse and see if that can help resolve the issue. First, I just want to put in some alcohol in there to clean that out. So I didn't use this fuse because I wasn't too happy with it. Inside had some bubbles, so I used the fuse I had from the A3. I do have a few more spares, one more spare. I will go in now and check out the car. Just want to check some other fuses before I proceed. That looks good. So anyone that does look dodgy, I'm going to go over them and then just have a look at them. They are looking clean, and then I will proceed to test the car out after that. Fuse has been changed as I showed you guys. Gonna start the car. All the lights, fogs, everything are all turned on, so just turn it to full, pull it all out. Okay, cool. Let me just close the door. Cool. So the left side daytime running lights are normal. I know that they're definitely fused, so they've run out. I've got new ones. I'm on the brake at the moment. That seems to be fine. Is my radio working? Cool, so that works. That's just telling me my bonnet's open. Then I want to show you guys from the outside if everything is working. So put my hazards on. Actually, okay, cool. Okay, so my right hazard was flagged for my vehicle inspection before insurance took over the vehicle, and they have mentioned that they will not fully insure it until I get that resolved. So let's take a walk around the car and then we can see if everything is working. So as you can see, left light, left indicator, left fog, or actually It's the right hand side, everything right there of the vehicle, and then on the other side everything seems to be working. Indicator, light and fog. Let's check if I put the bright lights on. I think that's the main thing. Cool. Just putting the high beams are on. Just gonna check the high beams now. The high beams are the middle ones. Seems to be all good. Let's check the rear. So the rear fog must be on. So rear fog is on. Hazards, taillights. We've got a double fog. We've got the indicator, and the lights are working. Okay, so that's a quick change, quick fix. I hope this video helped you guys. Please subscribe and follow the channel. I'll try and get you guys more help and more tips later on.